Children, today again I am going to discuss the chapter Linear Inequation for class 10. As many children have requested me to sir kindly once again you explain this chapter. So today I want to say you one very important thing, and that is that this chapter can be done in many methods. There are so many ways to solve these questions. But if I will discuss all the method here, my video will become very long. So I will discuss that particular method which is very important and which is easiest. So now what is that method? Let me say something. As you all know, the question is solve and represent the solution set on number line, and the question is minus x by 2 less than equal to x by 2 minus 1 whole 1 by 3 less than 1 by 6, and x belongs to real number. And what is real number I have discussed in the last video. Now in case 1 we take minus x by 2 less than equal to x by 2 minus 1 whole 1 by 3. That means first expression and first part and second part we take in case 1, and in case 2 we take second part and third part. So here we wrote the first part and second part, and now here this is improper fraction, so I am going to make it, sorry, it is mixed fraction, I am going to make it improper fraction. Now 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 by 3, rest all is same. Now what is the target? Here target is that you should keep all the x one side and all the numbers one side. Now while keeping the x in one side, what should be your target? What should I do that my x becomes a positive expression, a positive coefficient? So in that case, if you see, if you shift this minus x by 2 to the right hand side, then x will become positive. So what I did here, but if I shift this particular x by 2 on the left hand side, then I will have a minus, that is negative x. So I need positive x. So in that case I am shifting this x by 2 to the right hand side, and then automatically the number part will come to the left hand side. So minus 4 by 3 became plus 4 by 3, and minus x by 2 became x by 2, and this x by 2 is here. Now after doing LCM we got this, and x plus x is 2x by 2, and 2 got cancelled, only x remained. This is as usual. Now x is on right hand side, but anyhow at the end x should come on the left hand side. So if I change x this side, then symbol also will change, because this particular symbol is facing towards x. So if I shift x this side, this symbol also will shift to the other part, that means facing towards x, whereas the conclusion is same. Now after division we got 1.33 here. So I can say now x is greater than equal to 1.33, and in this case 2 I need not shift x by 2 to the right hand side, because it is already in positive form. So that means it will remain in the same place. So in this case 4 by 3 will shift that side. After LCM you can see 9 by 6, and we can simplify, and finally we got x by 2 is less than 3 by 2, and this 2 will go and multiply with 3, 3 to just 6 by 2, 2 3 just 6. Finally x is less than 3. So now I can say, it is said that always we should write this symbol in the solution set, that is less than, equal to, and this is less than. Why equal to came here and why not, I will tell something regarding this. Now as this kind of symbols are used in ascending order means from smaller to larger. So what we should do is that, who is larger among these two numbers? 3. So 3 you keep this side, larger number this side, and smaller number you keep on the left hand side. And in this 1.33 we have equal to symbol, so I am using equal to symbol here also. And as 3 and 1.3 it came this way in the ascending order, smaller number this side, larger number this side. X belongs to R. Now while drawing the number line, as you all know, we need 1 point at 1.33 and we need one number at 3. So we made round at 3 and one round at 1.33. And then here shading and here no shading. Why? Because here there is equal to and here there is no equal to. For no equal to, no shading, only round circle, and for equal to we make this kind of darkness, and then thoroughly we should draw a line and then we make a dark circle. And then now example 2 already, which was discussed in the last video. Here only I will say you, I have shifted this 3x by 5 this side because this is smaller x. So to get positive x, I shifted this x to this side, and here as this x is larger, this is smaller, so smaller x went to the larger part and we got positive x. That means after all, our target is we should always focus how shall we shift x